All right. How is everybody doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. First things first, I want to say thank you guys for your time. I appreciate your time and I respect your time. Now, with that being said, I'm going to run through this information fairly quickly, right? Today, we're going to be talking about how you can earn an extra stream of income without changing anything you're already doing, right? Now, before I get into the information, let me talk to you guys a little bit about myself and my experience with what we're going to be going over today. See, when I first saw this information, I was 21 years old. My name is Ty Rodriguez. I am from New York City. I'm from Brooklyn, New York City. When I first saw this information, I was 21 years old. I was living in a one-bedroom apartment with five other people, my mom, my dad, and my three siblings. I was working two jobs, right? I worked at Bank of America as a bank teller, and I worked at Skechers in Times Square as a sales associate, right? And on top of that, I was doing online classes. I had a whole bunch of stuff on my plate, but I wanted more out of life. So I literally Googled how to make $1 million. How do I make money? How to be a billionaire? And I came up with a whole bunch of different searches, so many different hits. I tried wholesaling real estate. Didn't work out too well for me. I tried investing in ATM machines. Didn't work out too well for me. I even tried reselling sneakers, right? I tried reselling sneakers, something very common in New York City, where it is that I'm from, right? So now I didn't see any massive success, any massive financial success in anything that I did until I actually started investing and trading in something called the Forex market, right? The foreign exchange market, right? See, 4 months after I joined this opportunity, I was able to retire myself at age 21. That same year, I went on to hit multiple six figures. That same year, I went on to actually purchase a home for my mother. I bought my mom a house, right? With the money I made trading Forex, right? So now, what is this Forex thing that this guy keeps talking about? Well, the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. It trades $6.6 trillion per day. $6.6 trillion every single day. Floods that market every single day. And we teach you how to get a piece of that pie. The Forex market trades 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, right? You're actually trading the value of different global currencies, right, in the Forex market. This is not to get confused with the stock market. The stock market only trades about 22 billion a day, right? It trades 5 days a week, and it only trades between the hours of 9 and 5, 9 to 5, conveniently when everybody's at work, right? In the stock market, you're trading the value of different companies, right? Different companies, right? So now, there's a couple flaws with the stock market. Let's be honest, right? The stock market is not a recession-proof market, right? It's been open since the 1700s and it's crashed and burned multiple times. Majority of the most successful people that I know invest in the Forex market as opposed to the stock market. When you compare the stock market to the Forex market, it's pretty much like throwing a water bottle into the ocean. It's not much of a comparison. Right now, let's get more into Forex. Let's get deeper into what exactly Forex is. And this right here is the market, right? When I first saw this, I said the same thing you're saying. I said, what the heck is this? I don't know what's going on. I don't like math. I don't like graphs. Get this out my face, right? But what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how to trade Forex in 60 seconds. I'm going to show you how to trade the largest financial market in the world, the most liquid financial market in the world, the most profitable financial market in the world in the next 60 seconds. And it goes a little bit like this. See, there's only two things you can do in the Forex market. You can either buy or you sell. That's pretty much it. That literally is it. The market goes up, the market goes down, right? There's no in between. Well, you can either buy or sell. When you buy, you're basically saying, I think this is going to go up right now. When you sell, you're basically saying, I think this is going to go down right now, right? So now you can only do two things, right? If you're correct, right? If you're correct about where the market is going, you win money. You actually earn money. You win the trade, right? You earn an income if you're correct about where the market is going, right? If you're in profit after X amount of time, you actually make money in this market, right? So now it's very simple. Well, Ty, it can't be that easy. Ty, that sounds way too simple. Well, it actually is that simple. It either goes up or down. Now, how much money can I make doing this, Ty? How much money can I realistically make doing this? See, that was my question. That was my question. Remember, I was working two jobs when I saw this. I was doing online classes, college classes when I saw this. I was living in a one-bedroom apartment with my entire family when I saw this. You see, I didn't have a lot of time. I didn't have a lot of money. I couldn't make a lot of mistakes. So my number one question is, how much money can I make doing this? So now let me show you 3 realistic examples as to how much money you're missing out on by not trading this market, right? So that particular trade we just saw, the trade we got correct, right? We forecasted price correctly and we won the trade. How much money would you have made if you took that trade? Well, that specific trade gave back a 70% return on investment. Now, what does that mean? That means if you would have invested $10 at a 70% return, you would have made an extra $7. Now, let me pause this entire meeting right now. Let me pause this entire meeting. All 800 of you guys. If you're on this call to learn how to make $7, you're on the wrong call, right? I'm from New York City, where $7 can't get me a good cup of coffee where I'm from, right? Let's think a little bit bigger. You didn't sign on. You didn't get on here to learn how to make $7. Let's say you invested $100. A 70% return on your $100 trade, your $100 investment, means you would have earned an extra $70. You see, now we're talking. With $70, I can buy groceries. With $70, I could pay for my phone bill. With $70, I could take my mom out to eat, right? You see, the point of this is to compound your money. $70 here, 100 here, 300 here. You compound your money. Why? Because when you have more money, you can play with bigger numbers. When you play with bigger numbers, you make more money, right? So you compounded your $10 account to $100, and then you took your $100 account to $1,000. Look, guys, a 70% return on your $1,000 trade, your $1,000 investment, means you earned an extra $700. Let me ask you one question right now. If I could show you, if you knew how to make $700 from your phone in a matter of minutes, at will, consistently, how different would your life look? How different would your life look if I showed you how to make $700 from your phone, right? That's the type of lifestyle that you want. That's the type of lifestyle that you want, but you know better than anybody else. In order to change your situation, you're going to need some different information, right? And that information starts right here in our academy. We have a course is going to teach you exactly how to trade the market. It's going to teach you the ABC 1, 2, 3s of Forex, right? So you can come into this knowing absolutely nothing, just like I did when I started. And by the end of the academy, you have all the information you need to become a consistent and profitable and independent trader, right? Let's say you don't even have that much time to check out videos. Everybody has life. Everybody is busy, right? Let's say you don't have that much time to check out videos. Well, we have live education each and every night. Each and every day, we have live education. Every hour on the hour, you'll have a 6 or 7 figure trader trading for you live. They're able to share their screen just like I am right now. And they literally tell you, hey, everybody buy this. Hey, everyone sell this. Hey, everyone get in or get out. You're learning from 6 and 7 figure traders. And I'm gonna tell you why I appreciate that, right? Short story before we get back to the information. I actually used to attend the University at Buffalo in upstate New York. That's where I went to college, right? I was a business major, right? So literally like my second month, I asked my business professor, I'm like, professor, I want to start a business. Where do you think I should start? Simple question, right? You would think, hey, professor, I want to start a business. Where do you think I should start? You know what my business professor told me? My business professor told me, hey, Ty, I don't know. I never started a business, ran a business, or managed a business. In that moment, I realized all this dude was doing was reading out of a textbook, right? And he was saying, hey, class, good luck on the quiz Friday. He hadn't actually done the things he was trying to teach us. So I say, professor, how can you teach me how to do something you've never done before? That's why I appreciate this platform, because you learn from 6 and 7 figure traders on how to make 6 and 7 figures trading. You're learning from someone who walks the walk and talks the talk, right? So imagine this like an Instagram live or a Facebook live, or imagine this like your favorite TV show. You just so happen to make money each and every time you watch it, right? So now let's say you don't even have an hour a day. You don't even have an hour a day. You don't have an hour a day. You're so busy. You're slammed with work. You have all these errands to run. You don't have an hour a day. You don't have 30 minutes a day. You can do what I did. You can hop on the scanners. We have different scanners, right? Artificial intelligence that scans the market for you and gives you trade setups. You're able to log in, you get access to these scanners, and they literally tell you on the right side of your screen, your alert panel, hey, buy this right now. If you have time, buy this right now. Sell this right now. You set it, you forget it, and you go about your day, right? That's what I did. Remember, I was working 2 jobs and I was doing online classes. I didn't have time to sit and watch videos. I didn't have time to tune in every single time to a live trading session, but I did have 5 minutes here. I did have an extra 15 minutes on my lunch break. I used that time to earn some income. Ask yourself right now, what are you doing right now to build an extra income for yourself? What are you doing right now that's helping you live the life you want to live? Right? This is what I decided to do. Right? Now, let me recap because I know I went over a lot of information. What did we go over? We went over the Forex market. What is the Forex market? The largest financial market in the world, right? We went over the academy. It teaches you everything you need to know about Forex. We went over go live trading sessions from 6 and 7 figure traders. They literally tell you, hey, you can get in now. Buy this or sell this. Very simple. And we went over our scanners, our proprietary scanners that scan the market for you, right? With our artificial intelligence, right? Scans the market for you and tells you which trades are highly probable, which trades are going to put you in the best position to make money. Now, the question is, how do you get access to all this stuff? How do you get the course? How do you get the live trading sessions every single day? How do you get access to that scanner? Well, it's very simple, guys. This is a pay to play system. Right now, it's actually only $199. It's not even $235. It's only $199 right now to get started. That's going to give you access to the course, going to give you access to the live trading sessions. That will be your favorite, trust me. And it's going to give you access to that scanner that's going to scan the market for you and put you in position to make money each and every time you open up that scanner, each and every time you decide to log in, right? And then 30 days later, right? 30 days later, it's going to be a monthly fee of $175 to continuously get access to the scanner, to continuously get access to the live trading sessions, to continuously have access to the academy, right? And I know what you're thinking, because I said the same exact thing. I said, look, I do not want to pay an extra $175 a month. But you know what? In the same breath, I made a decision. I said, I'm not going to let 175 be the reason I don't make money, right? I'm not going to let 175 stop me from being rich. I'm not going to let 175 stop me from being successful. You see, if that's enough money to stop you from being successful, then you might have to reevaluate what success truly means to you. And I know for some people, it's not that black and white. For some people, it's not that cut and dry, especially with everything going on outside right now. Now, what if I told you you can get that for free? What if I let you know, hey, you can get that for absolutely free? You see, now this is where people start listening again. You can get this for free, right? Free 99. If it's free, it's for me, right? Very simple. We have a 2 and free scholarship. It's going to teach you, right? It's going to show you exactly how to get a free account. You recommend 2 people, you get a free account, right? You have 2, as long as you have 2 actively paying customers that are making money with the platform, you have a free account. If you have 2 friends, you have a free account waiting for you. If you have 2 friends with a cell phone, you have a free account waiting for you. If you have 2 friends that want to make money, you have a free account waiting for you. All you have to do is tap in, right? One thing my mentor always told me, he says, Ty, it's only lonely at the top when you don't bring your friends with you. He says, Ty, it's only lonely at the top when you don't bring your friends with you. Here, you get to make money with your friends and get a free account when you do it. How many conversations have you had with your friends about being rich? How many conversations have you had with your friends about building wealth? How many times did you say to your friend, we're going to get matching jets. We're going to get private yachts, right? We're going to get mansions across the street from each other. Well, now here's the opportunity for you to turn those conversations, turn those dreams into an actual reality. Now, Ty, that's absolutely amazing. But what if I have more than 2 friends? What if I want to tell my mom and my dad? What if I want to tell all my cousins, my sister, my grandma, my neighbors, right? Can I tell more than two people? Absolutely, you can. In fact, you have the option. Keep in mind, what I'm about to say is optional. You have the option of actually getting paid for bringing more than two people in. You recommend two people, you get a free account. If you decide to recommend a third person, you can actually start getting paid for doing that, right? When you recommend a third person, you're a platinum 150, making an extra $150 a month residually on top of the money you're making trading, right? Residually. Imagine never having to pay a phone bill because you got that residual income coming in. Imagine never having to pay a light bill because you have that residual income coming in, right? See, now what happens now? You see, when you have three people. People tell their friends when they have a decent hamburger. People tell their friends when they see a decent movie. People tell their friends when they see something weird outside. Now, what do you think happens when people make money? They tell their friends, right? So those three people you enrolled each tell their own three people. They want to go platinum 150 on their own, right? They want to be platinum 152. They want residual income on top of their trading money. When your three people each enroll their own three people, you've accumulated in a team of 12 customers within your organization. You're actually a platinum 600, making $600 a month. That team grows to 30, you're making $1,000 a month. You're making $1,000 a month. That's platinum 1,000. That's $250 every single week paid out to you on top of the money you're making trading. And the list goes on and on and on. Right now, I'm a chairman 50, right? At the chairman 50 level, you're making $50,000 a month, $12,500 every single week, right? You only get there by accumulating directly or indirectly a team of 2,500 people. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know 2,500 people. I don't speak to 2,500 people. This is one person telling the next person, telling the next person, right? You got to think the team only gets that big when everyone is happily making money, when everyone's seeing success. That's the only way the team gets that big, right? But keep in mind, everything I just said is 100% optional. The second portion is 100% optional. You do not have to tell a single soul about this for you to make money. You can be like the other 90% of the company, right? Who just sits in front of their laptop or their phone, makes money trading, and goes about their day. Like I said, you can make massive amounts of money without changing anything you're already doing, right? Now, let me recap one more time before I let you beautiful people go. Right? We went over the Forex market, largest, most liquid, recession-proof market in the world. Went over the Academy, teaches you everything you need to know about the Forex market. Went over Go live trading sessions from the top traders in the world. They help you make money on a week-to-week basis, on a day-to-day basis, right? Went over the scanners that scan the market for you, the very scanners that helped me retire at age 21 in just 4 short months. And we went over exactly how to get this for free. So what I need you to do is right now, reach back out to the person who sent you this link. Reach back out to the person who sent you this link because they trust, love, and respect you enough to want to share this information, right? In addition to joining the organization, in addition to joining this company, you're going to get a $35 back rebate. You're going to get private access to our private mentorship groups, right? You will never, ever be alone. You will always have support. You'll always have someone who's been there, done that, to help you duplicate those results, right? So with that being said, reach back out to the person who sent you this link. I look forward to mentoring and working with every single one of you guys, and I will see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. All right, guys.